Hi, today we will do admission of partner. At the time of admission of partner, the first effect will be on change in profit sharing ratio. So first we will calculate how to calculate new ratio at the time of admission of partner. When the new partner admit, first effect will be on profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. Ratio will change. So we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio at the time of admission. And the second is at the time of admissions of new partner, when new partner admit, the old partner sacrifice their shares. That's why sacrificing ratios will be calculated. Sacrificing ratio. How to calculate sacrificing ratio? The formula is old ratio minus new ratio. When you subtract new ratio from the old ratio, you will get the sacrificing ratio. It means you have to calculate new ratio because old ratios will be given in the questions. Now, how to calculate the new ratios? There are different possibilities will be given in the questions. So you have to do accordingly. I am dividing this into different part. First part is if new partner admit. This information is given only that suppose two partners are there and one new partner is admit. Only this information is given. Then how to calculate the new ratio? The formula of calculating new ratio is remaining share into old share. Old share will be given and you need remaining share. How to calculate remaining share? Let the new firm share be 1. We will assume the new firm shares will be 1, and when we subtract the new partner shares from 1, we will get remaining share. ठीक है, तो 1 minus new partners share. Then remaining shares will come. Is it clear? Subtract the new partner shares from the new shares of the firm, you will get the remaining shares. Then remaining shares multiply by old share, you are able to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. I am taking our example. For example, suppose A and B are partners and their ratio is 3:2 and C admit for 1/4 share. This information is given. When you will read the question, you will find that only this is given that C is admitted. It means it is related to first case. So how to calculate if only it is given that new partner is admit remaining shares into old shares? Then remaining share. Remaining share, how to calculate? Subtract the new partner's shares from the new firm's shares. New firm share is 1. Subtract the new partner share 1/4. It means 4 minus 1. 3/4 is the remaining shares. Now you are able to calculate the new ratio by applying the formula remaining shares into old shares. Then A's shares will be remaining share is 3/4 and old shares of A is 3/5. 3/5 equal to 9/20. In the same way, remaining share 3/4 into old share 2/5 equal to 6/20. Now C has already new share 1/4, but to equal the denominator, you will multiply it by 5. 5/20. So how to write down the answer? Answer will be A is to B is to C. The new ratio will be 9:6:5. If any questions, it will be given that calculate the sacrificing ratio. Then you have to apply the formula old ratio minus new ratio. Now you have a old ratio as well as new ratio. By applying the formula, you are able to calculate the sacrificing ratio of old partners. This is the first possibility. And the second possibility is when new partner admit and he acquired his share from old partner or maybe partners. ठीक है. When you will read the question, you will find कि आपको क्या दिया हुआ है कि न्यू पार्टनर तो एडमिट हो रहा है. अगर इतना दिया होगा, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी. बट एंड ही एक्वायर्ड हिज शेयर्स फ्रॉम ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. इसके साथ साथ ये भी दिया हुआ है कि हाउ द न्यू पार्टनर एक्वायर्ड हिज शेयर्स. वो कहाँ से ले रहा है. मे बी ओल्ड एक पार्टनर से भी ले सकता है, मोर देन वन पार्टनर से भी ले सकता है. तो ही एक्वायर हिज शेयर्स from old partner or maybe partners. If this type of information is given in the questions, then what is the formula of calculating new ratio? In that case, new ratio equal to old share minus sacrifice share. When you will subtract, you subtract sacrifice shares from the old shares, you are able to get the new profit sharing ratio of old partners. It means old shares will be given in the questions. Now you need the sacrifice shares. Maybe sacrifice shares will be given in the questions or maybe not given in the questions. So you will read the questions and find out sacrifice share is given or not. First ka A part. Then suppose A and B are partner, sharing 3:2 and C admit for 3/7 share, he acquired his share 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. So this is the questions related to second. C admit हो रहा है and how he acquiring his share is also given. So how to calculate the new ratio? You must know that old share minus sacrificing shares. So A is to B, 3:2 ratio is given to you, 3/5 and 2/5. And C is admit for 3/7 shares. And he acquired his shares 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B. What is the meaning of from? From means क्या होता है? माइनस. B से ले रहा है 1/7 और A से ले रहा है वो 2/7. दोनों को प्लस करेंगे तो देखिए 3/7 है. तो इट मीन्स 2/7 is a sacrifice share of A and 1/7 is a sacrifice share of B. So when B subtract 1/7 from his share, then his new shares will come. And when A subtract 2/7 from his shares, then his new shares will come. Then how to calculate the new ratio in this case? A equal to old shares. The formula is old shares minus sacrifice shares. Old shares of A is 3/5 minus sacrifice shares of A is 2/7. So what will be the LCM? 35. ये कितना आ जाएगा? 7 minus 10, 11/35. In the same way, B 2/5 minus sacrifice shares of B, that is 1/7, equal to 35. 7 आ जाएगा, डिवाइड करेंगे 5 को, 7 to the 14 minus 5, 9/35. And C's share is already new shares, but because equal to denominators, you will multiply by 5. Equal to 15/35. Hence, the new ratio will be A is to B is to C, 11:9:15. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Maybe second possibility is given to you. That A and B are partner, sharing 3:2 and C admit for 3/7 shares, and he acquired his share equally from A and B. What is the change that he acquired equally from? Means ratio is given how he is acquiring his share. then C 3/7 he acquired equally means 1/2 ratio में 1/2. How much shares acquired from A? You will multiply by 3/7 and in the same way multiply by 3/7 equal to 3/14 and 3/14. So this is the sacrificing share of B, and this is also the sacrificing share of A. In this questions, ratio is given, share is not given to you. So first of all, you have to calculate the sacrificing share. This is the sacrificing share. So again, now you are able to calculate the new ratio, old share minus sacrificing share, and you will get the new profit sharing ratio. So is it clear? When it is given that he acquired his shares 2/7 from A and 1/7 from B, here direct sacrificing share is given to you. But in this case, ratio is given how he is acquiring his shares, but shares is not given. So first of all, you have to calculate the sacrificing share. ठीक है, तो आज हमने किया how to calculate new profit sharing ratio when only information is given that new partner is admit. Then what is the formula to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? Old share multiply by remaining shares. And if new partner acquiring his shares from the old partner or maybe partners, then how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? Old share minus sacrifice shares. So you have to check that old share is given or you have to calculate. When ratio is given, then first of all you have to calculate the old sacrificing shares of partner. Then after it, you will deduct the sacrificing shares from the old partner, old shares of partner. You are able to get the न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो. तो आज हमने ये दो केसेस किए एडमिशंस के, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द न्यू रेशो. देयर आर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दिस. You have to do after next time we will solve the next type of